Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make Desi yogurt at home. First, select high-quality whole milk for a rich, creamy result. Heat the milk slowly to 185 degrees Fahrenheit or 85 degrees Celsius, stirring occasionally to prevent scorching. This step is crucial for denaturing proteins and ensuring a thick yogurt. After heating, let the milk cool down to 110 degrees Fahrenheit or 43 degrees Celsius, which is the ideal temperature for your starter culture to thrive. Now it's time to introduce your starter culture. Take 1 to 2 tablespoons of plain, unflavored yogurt, preferably one with live active cultures. Gently whisk this starter into your cooled milk, ensuring it's thoroughly combined. This small amount of existing yogurt contains the beneficial bacteria needed to transform your milk into delicious, tangy Desi yogurt. Don't overmix, just enough to distribute the culture evenly. Once the starter is mixed in, pour the milk into a clean, insulated container. A thermos or an instant pot on the yogurt setting works perfectly. Maintain a consistent warm temperature, ideally between 100 and 115 degrees Fahrenheit or 38 to 46 degrees Celsius. Let it incubate undisturbed for 6 to 10 hours or even overnight. The longer it incubates, the tangier and thicker your yogurt will become. After incubation, your yogurt should be set. Carefully transfer it to the refrigerator and chill for at least 4 hours. This cooling process stops the fermentation and helps the yogurt firm up beautifully. Your homemade Desi yogurt is now ready to enjoy. Serve it plain, with fresh fruit, or as a side with your favorite meals. It's incredibly versatile and so much more flavorful than store-bought options. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book about money, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.